All right, so we left off trying to use the calculator to calculate this determinant here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is actually my second attempt. The first attempt didn't go so well. So what you want to do is go into the matrices. So you see matrix here, so we want to hit second, and then this matrix button. We want to edit. So we're going to go over to edit, and then we're going to edit A, so it's already highlighted. We're going to hit enter. We got a 3 by 3, so 3 by 3, and there's a matrix there. So now we're going to enter the numbers. So 2, 0, 1. Come on. Wish I could just click in there, but it doesn't want to let me. All right, 2, 0, 1. Now I'm over here. We got -1. Don't use your keypad for the negatives. Use this button down here. It seems to work better. So -1 there, and 4.5, and 1.5. No, it just doesn't let me go over to the next. Okay. Whatever. I must have to hit enter. So then 3, and then 2, and then 1. So we have our coefficient matrix over here now. And we want to calculate the determinant. So we're going to go back to second and matrix. We're going to do some math. So we're going to go over highlight math. We want determinant. So go ahead and hit enter. All right. So it's kind of goofy. This was a problem before. It's actually trying to plug it in for this number here. So let's get out of everything. So let's quit out of here. So get back to the main screen. We're going to go second matrix, math, determinant is what we want. And then we go second matrix to get to A. And boom. So we're going to hit enter. And we get a nice, lovely answer of 2.5. So we have our first determinant, and that is, come on, 2.5. So we're going to be dividing by this 2.5 value. So let's go back to our calculator. Here. We're going to go back to our matrix. So second matrix. Now we need to edit it. So let's go over. We're going to edit. So again, right now we have this coefficient matrix. Now remember, to solve for x, we need to replace these values with our constants. So remember, our constants are this 28.42, 39, and 0. So we're going to go enter that in. So make sure we get to the right spot here. Okay, so here we want 2842. And then we're going to want 39. Okay, and then want 0. All right, so then we're quit out of here, get back to our main screen. Want to determine it again, so second matrix, we want a math, we want a determinant, and we want our second matrix, got to plug it in. So hit enter, that's what we want it to say, and hit enter again. We get 7.475. And then we have to divide that by the 2.5. So divided by 2.5. So $2.99 is that first price. That's X, so that was Skittles. So X is $2.99. We still need to find Y and Z. And actually, let's just go ahead and let's find Z, because if we have Z, we just know that they add up to get us Y. So let's save us some time. So now if we go back to our calculator, pull that back up here. All right, we got to edit our matrix again. So second matrix, and we want to edit. So boom, boom. All right, we got to change this one back to normal. So that was 2 and 0 and 1. All right. And we said we're going to solve for z. So we're going to go ahead and leave the y column alone. And now in the z column, we're going to put our constants. So again, 28.42, 39.39, and 0. Okay, we're going to go ahead and quit out of here again. Otherwise, it gets mad at us apparently. Again, we need to do some math. So second matrix, we want a determinant. And then we got to pull up the matrix we want. So we want A. And so there's our answer there. So for Y, we're going to have to take our 9.975 and divide by the 2.5 again. Okay, you're always dividing by this first determinant. So divided by 2.5 equals 399. So that's our Z. You can repeat the process for Y if you want, but I mean, we can definitely see that adding these two up would get us Y. So when you add these two values up, you're going to get an answer of 698. So again, you're more than welcome to use calculators. When it does come to the test, I do need to see some work. Like I want to see what all the determinants are. So you will have to be able to write those out. Otherwise, you can solve it by hand, just like we were doing it here. Or these, if you want to use a calculator for those, works the same way. So your assignment, it's going to be on that Delta Math site. On the 4.1 video, I gave you the code, but let's just double check it. Why not, since I'm here? So the code, again, if you go to Delta Math, let's pull up my page here. This is the teacher code here. So this is what you want to be plugging in. Again, what you need to do is log in. You have to create an email, use your regular name, and then you're going to get a short little assignment where you plug in your answers. So that's it for today. Again, this is the second part of 4.4. So make sure you watch the first part to get the rest of it. On Monday, because I'm going to post this, I believe, on Friday. My days are all mixed up. But this Tuesday date is when we're also going to be having our Chapter 4 quiz. So keep that in mind. Monday I'll be posting a review of some sort if it's not posted already. So yeah, if you have any questions, again, just shoot me an email and I'll answer as best I can. Thanks.